This is the spacious wide living area to the kitchen area. So this is the L-shaped granite platform. This is the master bedroom with walkable distance. There is your bed. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we'll be having a sample flat tour of 2 BHK Kolte Patil Curious, which is located at Life Republic Township, Punawale, Pune, and developed by Kolte Patil Developers. But before checking out the sample flat tour, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home now with the developer through Housey. So now we'll be discussing on project overview with the help of 3D model. It will be constructed on 7.6 acres of land parcel consisting of 5 towers with ground plus 3 level of podiums plus 26 floors having 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the connectivity and surrounding part. I am here at the actual location and this is the sales office. यही टाउनशिप में हमारा ब्यूटीफुल सा प्रोजेक्ट है कोलते पाटिल क्यूरियस. Now let me tell you about the location part. This project is located near Marunchi Road, Punawale, Life Republic Township, Pune, with Sai Balaji International Institute just 1.4 km, Embassy Tech Zone just 3 km, 18 magnitude is 3.3 km. Now moving on to the amenities part with the help of 3D model. This project has beautiful 35 plus luxurious amenities with likes of swimming pool, kids play area, indoor games, clubhouse, multi-purpose hall, senior citizen sit-out area, jogging tracks and many more. तो अब हम चलते हैं हमारे sample flat tour की ओर. तो आइए. In this video we'll be doing a sample flat tour of 2 BHK 887 square feet carpet area. This is the entrance of the sample flat. And on the left hand side, as you can see, this is a video door phone. Also, there is a digital door locker for extra security. Here it comes the entrance lobby. You can keep a shoe rack here. Also, I will take you to the living area. This is the spacious wide living area where you can keep your sofa here, your television right in front and enjoy with some popcorns and Netflix your beautiful movie. Also, I will take you to the balcony with the anti-skid tiles, stuffed glass railing with 3-sided cupboard. Now this is the dining area where you can enjoy your family time and masti time too. Now I will take you to the kitchen area. So this is the L-shaped granite platform. Also, there is a dry balcony for the washing machine where you can wash your clothes nicely. Now this is the place for your fridge. You can keep your fridge here. Now moving ahead. This is the common lobby for the common washroom. So here is the sink. Anti-skid tiles with CP-centric fittings, designer vitrified tiles as a part of furnishing. Now I will take you to the first bedroom. Come on. So this is our first bedroom. This is the bed. This is a broad window for the ventilation and lighting purpose. This is the wardrobe where you can keep all your clothes here. Now I will take you to the master bedroom. But before going to the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you. We provide you actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these are under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule our site visit soon. Now let's come on for the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom with walkable distance. There is your bed, and here there is a balcony again. So this is a wide balcony, anti-skid tiles, stuff and glass railing with 3-sided covered. यहाँ आप अपना सोफा रख सकते हैं, अच्छे से अपना इवनिंग टाइम एंजॉय कर सकते हो. And this is the place for your wardrobe. Now I will take you to the washroom. So this is the washroom, master washroom with anti-skid tiles, CP-centric fittings, designer vitrified tiles as a part of furnishing. So everyone, this is the entire sample flat tour of Kolte Patil Curious, which is located in Live Republic Township and developed by Kolte Patil Developer. अगर आपको ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट पता है या आप देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स पे ज़रूर मेंशन करो. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब to www.housey.com. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.